2-minute Scratch Jr. recipes.
This quick tip is moving to the next page.
So this is how it looks. Yay, I'm going home. Yay, I'm back home. So let's get started. I have already added a boy with the classroom backdrop and also with the green flag clicked and the say command. Now the objective is to move to the next scene, which is this backdrop. So you click on the red button and you'll see all the pages over here, these blocks. So you can also see the numbers. My number is to go to the third scene. You can see a 3 number over here, which means third scene. So we will add the third scene. This is how it looks now. Congratulations, you have learned how to move to the next scene. That's the tip for today.